Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about the verb to be. Are you ready? Verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. For example, I am an English teacher. You are a doctor. He is a student. She is happy. It is big. We are excited. They are rich. The negative form. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. They are not. I am not a student. You are not a student. He is not a student. We are not students. They are not students. Now, how can you ask a question using the verb to be? The question form. Am I a student? Are you a student? Is she a student? Are we students? Are they students? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe for the channel.